Stop scrolling. You've just found the best self-working card trick on YouTube. I mean, seriously, this is better than that, it's better than that, and it's better than that. Yeah, that's what the trick's called. It's called better than that. It is completely self-working. There is no moves, there's no sleight of hand, and it has 4, count them, 4, that's 8. 4 killer reveals in this trick, which are going to get you the most insane reactions. Let's get into it. All right, guys, let's get into this one. So, you say to the spectator that normally a magician would get a card picked like this, and then you find it. But no, we can do better than that. So you ask them to think of any number in between 10 and 20. So they've got completely free choice. So let's say they think of the number 15. You have them take the cards and deal down that many cards, in this case 15. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And you say, now most magicians would stop there, but we can do better than that. So we're going to create a new random number. So the number 15 has 2 digits, 1 and 5. We are going to add those together to create a new number. So 1 and 5 added together is 6. So you get them to take this packet to deal down 6 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and have a look at the next card. So this is going to be their selected card. They will remember that. They'll put the card back on here. This is lost in the pack, and this is put all together like so. Now you can turn your back while they're doing all of that. But this is the crazy part. You then have them concentrate on the card, you look them in the eye and you say, just keep repeating the name of the card over and over in your mind. Ace of spades, ace of spades, ace of spades. And they're gonna freak out, right? They will think that's the trick. But no, we can do better than that. Because check this out. If we spell out the word ace, that's A-C-E, and we spell out the word spade, that's S-P-A-D-E, we actually get their card, the ace of spades. Killer, right? No, we can do better than that. Because if we take the ace and wave it over these cards like so, now over here, we have all 4 aces. And also if we take the spades like this and wave it over these cards right here, now here we have a flush in spades. Now that is killer, but we can do better than that. Because if you're gonna have a flush in spades, you might as well have the best one, and that is a royal flush in spades, and you can't do better than that. This is awesome, isn't it? I know you love this. You're gonna have a great time learning this. So this is actually a taster from my card magic course, the best self-working card tricks ever. So just like this, all the card tricks on that course are super powerful. They don't need any skill, there's no sleight of hand, but they get the most insane, jaw-dropping reactions. It's awesome. So if you want some new card tricks to impress your friends and family, you don't want to spend hours practicing, I will link that course over here on the screen. Go and check it out, sign up, and you're gonna have some card tricks that you're gonna do all the time for the rest of your life. But don't do it yet, because you gotta learn this first. Right, let's get into it. All right guys, let's get into the explanation. So there is a small setup in this. Don't hate me. I'm sure you'll agree the payoff is well worth it, and it's dead easy to remember, and stick about until the end because I'm going to show you how to reset this super quick. So here you have your royal flush. You have ace, king, queen, jack and 10 of spades with the 10 at the face, the ace at the back. You're going to take those cards and you're going to put them on top of the deck. Next, you're going to take your 3 aces, put them on top, and then any 5 spade cards, this is your flush in spades, put them on the top. That's it. You're good to go. That's how easy this is. So you're going to start the trick, and you're going to start by doing a little shuffle. Now, if you're advanced and you know a jog shuffle or you know a riffle shuffle which retains the top slot, go for it. If you're a complete beginner, this is such an easy shuffle that you can do. So all you're going to do is, instead of taking the cards in an overhand shuffle like this, you're going to take them face up. Okay? Take the cards face up, and you're just going to shuffle about half the cards into your hand, like so. About half the cards into your hand. When you've got about half there, you're just going to put these back underneath and turn the whole thing over. Done at speed, it looks like a very casual shuffle like this. What that will actually do is just make sure that your setup is still on top of the deck. So you say, I want you to think of a number in between 10 and 20. That's in between 10 and 20. Any number in between, not 10, not 20, any number in between. But keep it casual, just say to them, any number in between 10 and 20. And so they're going to name a number. So say they say the number 16. You then have them count down 16 cards. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You explain, most magicians would stop there, but we can do better than that. So now you're going to force the ace of spades by using the 10 to 20 force. This works every time, no matter what number they've chosen. So in this case, they've chosen 16. All you're going to do is add those two digits of 16 together. 1 and 6 would equal 7, right? So you're going to do this no matter what number they say. If they say 14, for example, you would add those two digits together, 1 and 4, and it would equal 5. Whatever the new number is, in this case 16, 1 and 6 equals 7, you count down that number of cards. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the next card will always be the ace of spades. If you don't know this force, this is going to blow your mind. So it's a really, really cool force, works every single time. So then you have them remember this card, you have them put the card back on top of the cards that have been dealt on the table. You put these on top, like so, and then you put that whole group back on top of the deck. Now, if you want, you can give the cards another shuffle like you just did before. Okay, so shuffling about half the cards, putting these underneath, and you say, I just want you to concentrate on your card. I'm not even going to look at the cards. Just repeat the name of the card over and over silently in your mind. Ace of spades, ace of spades, ace of spades. And they're going to freak out. Of course, it's always going to be the ace of spades because you've forced the card. But they're going to freak out at this and it gets an amazing reaction. They're not expecting it. But then you explain, well, we can do better than that. Because you spell out the word ace. Now you're going to deal these 3 cards down. Now these are actually your aces, okay, being dealt down. Okay. So spell out the word ace and then spell out the word spade, and here is your flushing spades being dealt out, right? So they're going like that. Spade, so if you spell out ace and you spell out spade, the next card will always be your card, the ace of spades. Again, you've now got 2 killer reveals. You've read their mind and produced their chosen card, and they think that's it. But guys, you are now set up for an absolutely killer finale. So what you do is you take the ace. What I like to do is to just turn it face down, scoop it under here like so, and then you can show all of these cards as aces. Okay, you spread them out, you say, look, we have the 4 aces like so. But if you take the card, so again, take the ace of spades, wave it over these cards, and then put it back on top of the deck, this will set you up for that final reveal. And then you explain that if you do that, then over here we have a flush in spades, right? Again, another killer finale. But you go, no, we can do better than that. And now you're gonna absolutely blow their mind. You just take the ace of spades, deal it down. That's the ace, that's the king, that's the queen, that's the jack, that's the 10. And that, seriously, like, you've not done any moves and you get this payoff at the end. It's sick, it's so good. So here's the secret feature of this trick that is gonna make you do this all the time. It has an instant reset. All you need to do to reset is to take the spade cards, put them on top of the deck. Take the aces, put them on top of the deck. Take your flush, put it on top of the deck. You reset, you're now good to go. Obviously, don't do it again for the same audience, but you're ready to go to a different group of people, blow their minds with this trick. Guys, it's awesome, right? If you want more videos like this, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more magic tutorials. We do them every single week. And if you've got any comments or questions, drop them down below. I'd love to hear from you. For now, check out this video next, because if you learn that trick as well, then you're gonna have a whole act. It's gonna be awesome. All right, thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you soon.